welcome back to the channel. Today we have this worldwide opportunity. We have 24th VA. This is staffing company and they are hiring virtual assistant worldwide. If you can go to remote jobs, so you will see virtual assistant we hire, you will see VA testimonies, you will see open position. Click here on open position. You view openings they have today, and this company is they are hiring worldwide. You can see real estate support VA, so you will see social media with FB ads, Amazon listing VA, virtual office assistant, product rendering, um, artist, sales, executive assistant, employment assistant, and so many more. If you click here on content creator, so worldwide, you can work worldwide with this company. Let me show you the experience. Proficient in content creation software like Adobe Creation Studio, Canvas, and so many others. Ability to create various type of digital content. Experience with social media platform, ChatGPT, knowledge of the best practice for search, familiarity with digital marketing strategies, basic knowledge of web design and user experience principles. Yes, they have all this kind of type of experience they want from you, but there is no specific years of experience, which means with no experience you can still apply with this company. Okay, so that is number one job we have today. This is 24 VA. Go to your Google browse, type 24 VA, and if you also want to see their review on Glassdoor, of course you have to write on your Google browse Glassdoor and then type VA. Okay, if you type here VA search, you will see they have 4.9 reviews on Glassdoor. So this is a good start with no experience in this 2024. So we have so many jobs today. Let me move on to other company we have today. We have this company, PayNader is hiring. So go to your Google browse, type paynader.com. So you will see position view opening position. Let me show you how to start. Go to your Google browse, type PayNader. This is their logo. This will show up, and then you will go to their careers, click careers, and then view opening position. So if you click to view more jobs, they have so many jobs, but you can see they have B2B sales representative. Click this one and see what are the kind of job it is, and of course you have to go to their responsibility and what they need from you. So the skills: direct sales in 2B2 environment, either in person or virtual. That is one of the skills they want from you. Ability to solve problems and find creative solutions to challenges. Confidential to overcome objection and directly ask for businesses. Dedication to build your own businesses, developing a professional network. Advanced interperson, time management, organization skills, ability to work independently with minimum supervision. This one you have to have minimum of 2 years with 2B2 sales experience. Must be located in this location, but with this company they have different other jobs, so it doesn't matter. There is a company from this Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There is this other location. They have kind of specific city you have to be in. You can see with this B2B sales experience, you can still apply with this company. This is PayNader. So we have other company. This is the company Randstad. Yes, Randstad, they have jobs. Yes, they have jobs. You can see customer service representative. This is one of the job they have, and they pay up to $18 per hour. You can see they say we are hiring now for February training class. Yes, it's located in Oklahoma. Tulsa, and you see they say, do you like to help people? Do you like to work with pajamas? Do you like to live in hour or so? Read more. Paid training equipment is provided. $7 monthly towards your high-speed internet bill. All right, so you can see they need you to have 2 years of experience in CSR experience in high core volume environment, one medicine and health insurance experience. What you will do, respond to customer inquiries via phone, email, and chat, provide accurate and timely information to customers, resolve customer issues, document all customer interaction, collaborate with other team members, meet or exceed individual or team performance goal or metrics. So sounds pretty awesome, right? So you can just email to this email and email your resume with this company and see if they will respond to you. Of course, remember it is 2 years of experience. Experience level 2 years of experience. We have this other company, so they have position as well, hiring remote. Go to find careers down here. This is Synchrony. Synchrony is hiring. Go to careers is right here. So read here. You can find such jobs. Now you can see they have different jobs and different location. They have hiring nationwide. So this is Phoenix, Arizona. This is in California. This is in New York, Ohio. So they have so many locations they are working with, depending on which type of job you are looking for. But guys, you can write here remote. Right here, remote, you will see this is the CREM administrative support. This is veterinary technician, and they are hiring in all these states: Arizona, Florida, Kansas, NC, Ohio. They are hiring in different cities. So click here on CREM administrative support and view all this. They have 1 year recent veterinary technician experience, dog and cat. So this is their requirement: 50 words per minute typing speed, also 1 year recent veterinary technician experience. But guys, with this kind of experience, if they need only 1 year, if you are confident enough that you have to show them your love to cat and dogs, or you are experienced in cat and dogs, let's say you have your dog and cat at home, this is a good time to express yourself, sell yourself in your cover letter, and tell them how you can do the work. Okay, is a veterinary technician license is strongly preferred, but it is not a must. Strong computer skills, strong customer service skills, excellent oral or writing communication skills, ability to write professional letters, that's good. Also, other eligibility, you must have 18 years old, you must have at least high school diploma or equivalent, must be willing to take drug tests or submit a background investing as a part of ongoing process. So all these guys, new hires must have 9 months of continuous service in company before they are eligible to post their roles. So now pass through with this company and see if you can find type of job you are looking for. Okay, and let me know in the comment, by the way, let me know in the comment what are the type of job you are looking for, so that in my research I will do the best to find your specific job you are looking for. Okay, so this is Synchrona. They have different jobs. If you go to search jobs, you'll find different jobs they have. Risk testing analyst, they have digital product owners. If you click, let's say this one, you click to this and see how many years of experience they need. They need 2 years of experience managing B2B digital product or platform. Okay, 2 years of experience as agro product owner or scrum master in product owner role. So those are the qualification, and this role the salary is up to 155,000 USD. So of course you have to have this eligibility as well, similar to other jobs we have reviewed. The location for this company, you have to be US. You have to be in the US. So, and if you want to review this company, you can copy the company name and go to Glassdoor and see their reviews. Okay, let me take you to Glassdoor and see their reviews. Company review. Paste the name. You can see the logo of that company is right here. Now you can see they have 4.2 review on Glassdoor. So you can see over 10,000 employees, and the company is public. Also, their revenue is above 10 billion dollars. Okay, this is a good, and they have 23 location, and this company was founded in 2014. Okay, so guys, for those who are looking for a remote job worldwide, yes, of course you have to go to this company called 24/7 VA. This is the best company to start with no experience worldwide. So again, if you are looking for specific company or specific jobs, go to this simplyhide.com. This is the website you can find jobs daily. Simplyhide.com. Go to filter here, remote, or anything. Let's say data entry. Okay, data entry, remote, of course, filter, and then click here. So you have to click here, date added, yes, and you'll see like this company is hiring data entry check. Yes, this is Vicent Management Group Associate, and this job was posted 1 hour ago. As you can see, the qualification for this job is data entry, computer skills, typing, and communication. All these basic skills. There is no experience. That is wondering. So there is no experience with this job, and they have benefits such as work from home and paid time off. So take a look for this company. Of course, you have to go to your Google browse, type the name of the company. This is it, and see the type of careers they have. Yes, you see the find jobs. Click here. Now you can see they have so many jobs. This is data entry check. Okay, if you click here, this is data entry check, high school diploma, previous experience as a data entry check or in similar position is preferred. As you can see, they don't specify how many years of experience, and this is a great opportunity for you with no experience to apply. Okay, the position is fully remote and they pay $50 per day. They have raw pay. Remember, it's data entry. This is a kind of job you can add up with your full-time job. So thank you guys for choosing this channel. Let me to the next video. Yes, I will continue to find jobs worldwide with no experience. So I know it's very hard to get a job with no experience also worldwide. So I will keep finding jobs for you guys. Stay tuned with other videos. Bye.